Guys, what is going on? I'm Aaron Vogler. I'm 16. The goal is 83K by 18. I have 846 days left. Okay, so I guess I'm structuring these videos just kind of to keep them consistent. We can, yeah, a little cool intro, then go over. By the way, let me quickly make sure the AirPods are connected. Actually, one second. Uh, yeah, we should be good. Anyway, um, I didn't really what I did today. Well, a little recap for yesterday. Didn't really do anything other than what did I do yesterday? Man, it wasn't. I I went over the sales process a little bit. I was working on building out a website, which is good. The first website, so it's like step 7, like the website build out. Today, I by the way did my border review for Boy Scouts. Got my Eagle rank, so that's exciting. Just gotta have it confirmed. But anyway, um, let's see. Today I actually kind of have working on a nice kind of sweet document for the sales process. Nick talks about how the recipe that you need to, like, if you're trying to bake a cake, you follow the recipe. The best version of the cake is when you can add all the ingredients at the right time. Even if you miss some ingredients, though, you mess some things up, you can still have a good result. And so, same thing with the sales process. Like, I'm kind of listing out all the things, like all the boxes I need to check off for each individual deal I do, each sales process for each individual project. Remember, the close is in the setup, right? So, was kind of going over that. One thing that, and yeah, that doesn't necessarily move the needle. I agree. Right now, I'm still waiting. Hopefully, I'm going to get a card here soon so I can begin to make purchases on my own and move quickly. Because how many of you know money loves speed, right? So, but right now, I was just kind of getting clarity of the whole process because we are about to blow things up here, really in the next couple days, couple weeks at the most. Um, with guy getting back from his vacation, my business partner, and then also me being able to get my own my own card, whether it be debit or credit. Um, so yeah, right now I'm just kind of working on clarity with the sales process, really cinch that up, and I'll continue also working with the technical side for my own projects when I do on my own. So still a good day. Um, yeah, so that was good. But yeah, getting clarity, that's like so important. Because when you have clarity, it helps you to, number one, not be so stressed. Like seriously, like that just helps. If you have like problems or insecurities or doubts, like face them head on, list out what they are, and then how you can either how you're going to remove them or overcome them or just interact with them. Even just listing them out helps because they're really not as bad as they seem once they list them out. And so that helps with just not being so anxious or stressed. That sucks mental energy. Then also getting clarity really just helps you, of course, see like what you need to do, like what moves the needle, what gets you to that next deal, right? The fastest and what sustains it. So yeah, clarity is awesome, right? That's probably another thing we need to add to our foundational like little foundational philosophies or mindsets almost. But anyway, so the goal tomorrow is I kind of want to finish out that sales process document of the like the recipe, because like we have the recipe. It's kind of like listing out each with the objections and the setup and the scripts and all the interactions and live transfers. Just really getting really clear from first cold call to Zoom close and collecting the credit card. That sales process. So it can just rinse and repeat and once you have the overall picture, like where it's 80% solid, the more you do it, you'll just keep refining and refining, right? So that's really exciting. Things are going good there. Continue to learn some of the technical stuff. Um, Hopefully, try to build out a website here, my own website. It looks like the goal is to do 5 of my own projects where I literally do everything, and then I'll outsource. And, I could wait a while, probably. Well, depends on how quickly I close deals and can do everything on my own. I could wait before I begin to outsource and like try to handle it all on my own. But the goal is speed, right, guys? So once I master the process and understand it, like, boom, we're outsourcing it. We're just gonna build and we're gonna scale it. Um, yeah, there will be problems when you begin to interact with people and rely on them and all that sort of stuff. But it's gonna be, if it needs to be done anyway, may as well be done sooner so you can see the results sooner, right? Because I mean, obviously, it's going to save me time, and I just want to be able to block out, like, to bulk out time where I could do sales stuff, right? Because that's obviously the most important part, most uncomfortable part. I agree, but hey, that's what makes the money. So, be ending this video here. Tomorrow, I want to finish the sales process, the document, and want to work on, the building out a website. Okay, and also have to work on content. So, guys, things are going good. I do want to join Digital Landlords here ASAP. I do need to probably close, I'm thinking, around 5 of my own deals before that's going to work with decision maker consent financially and just all that sort of stuff. So it's going good. Money loves speed, and that's the best way. Um, I mean, yeah, things are going good. So, and last thing, I probably will start to say this in the beginning. I currently am making 75 a week, so that's 250 a month. That's the current spot. And the goal is 83K by 18. And I'll have to work on what the goal is for like this year and right 12-week year stuff. That's so sweet. I love that. The 12-week year, I'm going to start to be able to implement that. But anyway, that's the situation, current financial spot. It's not even on a contract. I mean, this deal, that was a crazy deal. The process worked though. The leads did the selling. Anyway, we'll talk tomorrow.